Hello and welcome to Jimmyism Total Nerdery channel. This is your host, Jimmyism. Oh yes. Anyways, we are here with a little tech tutorial. How do you find out what processor you have? A processor is the main thing in the computer that processes information, and it's basically the main part of the computer. So anyways, a processor is good to know what processor you have, to know how fast it is. You can find speed tests online, and you can also decide what drivers you want to download if you need to specify the processor. Or if you have a very fancy processor, maybe you want to maybe you want to brag to your friends, I don't know. But I'll show you how to do it nonetheless. Click the Windows button, and then you write in control panel, or what would be control panel in your language, Swedish for me. Then you click the control panel, and here you have the control panel. Usually it should work just fine with clicking on system, this little thing here, system. Click on this system thing, and the information is displayed here. Processor Intel Core i5 7200U CPU at this speed and this speed. So that's cool. And but it's not like all the info. There is more info, and I'll show you how to find that out. But I just wanted to say this i5, there is i3, i5 and i7. i7 is the best, and i3 is, I guess, the cheapest. And this gigahertz thing doesn't matter so much, because it's processor speed is complex, and the gigahertz doesn't matter too much. It's more about how many processors you have and how fast they are, each one, and how many cores you have, how many threads. It's complex. So just search up some speed tests online for your processor using this number. But anyways, this little 7 here, you can see I have a 7200 yuan. It means I have a 7th generation. So this first line in the 1000 something is the generation. So this is a 7000 generation processor, which can be useful when finding drivers. Anyways, let's step back to the control panel, because you want to click on the thing that is called enhetshanteraren, probably device manager for you if you use your system in English, or something that would be device manager in the language of use. Make a little fast direct translation. And here we have the device manager. You can see that the device manager is it's pretty basic. It's most entry-level users don't mess with the device manager. And you should be careful here. Don't do anything you don't know what you're doing. You might mess up things seriously. So be careful, right? Anyways, here we have all the entities. And at this little icon here with a little green square with a little silver square in the middle, this is your processors. And here you can see it's an Intel Core TM processor. You can see the processor here again at the clock speed. And you can see that I have 4 cores. And I think I have some double threading thing as well. So it's good. You can see how many cores you have here, and that can be useful. You can also update the drivers here if you like, but you can do an automatic search for drivers and see if they find anything. But well, that's not so. Yeah, I already have the latest drivers. It should probably install automatically, but basically this is how you know how many cores you have. You can also click settings, or not specifications on the, if you right click and click the lowest option in bold style, you can get some more information about the driver, and lots of information if you wanna check. Anyways, that's how to know what processor you have in some unnecessary good detail, I guess. But anyways, I guess that sums it up. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Subscribe for future tutorials, and you can post in the comment section what the next tech tutorial should be according to you. Anyways, see you around. This is Jim from Total Nerdy Channel, signing out.